Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss how data analytics study is important for school leadership. Data analytics in education provides school leadership with valuable insights and evidence-driven decision-making capabilities. School leaders can track student performance, identifying trends and patterns in academic achievement or areas that need improvement. Data analytics helps optimize resource allocation by identifying areas where additional resources are needed, or areas where resources can be reallocated for maximum impact. School leadership can use data analytics to involve parents more effectively by sharing insights on their child's progress and areas for improvement. Data analytics helps customize learning experiences by understanding individual student needs and preferences, fostering a more effective teaching approach. Data analytics enables ongoing evaluation of teaching methods and curriculum effectiveness, supporting continuous improvement initiatives. Data-driven insights can inform budget decisions, ensuring funds are allocated strategically to achieve educational goals. Data analytics empowers school leadership to make informed decisions, enhance student outcomes, and optimize resource allocation for the benefit of the entire educational community. I hope this information is useful for understanding how data analytics is beneficial for school leadership in effective decision making. Thank you.